Open source is like a United Nations of technology. All these folks around the world work collaboratively. And the value that it generates doesn't only serve one person or one company, it serves the community. The Apache Software Foundation support open source projects. They put community at the center, and they're trying to make that what drives the technology forward. Apache Beam is an open source project that helps build your data pipelines. The code was put on GitHub, and that means that everybody can do a fork, do a modification, something that can increase the value of the project, push it back to GitHub, and then continue growing the project in collaboration.
With Spotify, we have to compute recommendations for hundreds of millions of users. To do that, we have to process large amount of data relatively quickly. Apache Beam allows us to run a lot of complex processing jobs at scale, so running it on thousands of machines in parallel. We mainly work on this product called Shio, which is an open source library for data processing. It's built on top of the Apache Beam. Shio is open source not only because we believe in the open source model, but also it makes us build better quality software.
We have people externally that have contributed to Shio. We get issues reported that we wouldn't have found internally. It builds more robust software, and it allows technology as a whole to progress much faster because there aren't 20 different people solving the same problem 20 different ways.
A lot of the Spotify products like Discover Weekly, Release Radar are written in Shio.
Discover Weekly is a playlist that we generate every week for users. We try to give users songs that they haven't heard but we think that they will like.
We, as musicians and artists, are taking in all of these influences in our playlists and then in return creating music that is a hybrid of them all and making music that doesn't fit into hard genres. When I put on Discover Weekly, it is like a friend, it is like going to a record store. These playlists do that to just an insane macro level. It's this like incredible way to have access to new inspiration and new sounds. You never make art alone in a box. You are always taking someone else's idea and collaging it with your own. When we share information, magic can truly happen.